Hello and welcome to my little fun tutorial on how to wax your eyebrows / other facial features. My name is Salon and this is just a fun little hobby I picked up a little bit ago because getting your eyebrows waxed is expensive. So I started doing it myself. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna attempt to do my eyebrows and nose today. Okay, ready? And you just place it where you want it, going with the hair. And if it's too warm, you can go ahead and just wait a couple minutes, let it cool down. Okay, you place it on going with the hair. You want to pull it going against the hair. So you want to just get like a little tiny and pull your skin. Very nice. Get a little. That one got some. You can't win them all. I don't know what to do. You gotta be kind of quick, which I'm not being. I seriously don't know what to do. Okay. Oh yeah, I waited way too long for that. I waited way too long. Ouch. See, that was a good one. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Should we do the other side? No. Well, maybe. I don't know. Gotta leave it in there. Since it's like a, oh, I made a mistake. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side because I'm an idiot. Look how red I'm getting. I think actually this was ready. Oh yeah. Okay, so you want to pinch the bridge of your nose. Oh god, 1, 2. Oh. Oh no. I knew this was gonna happen. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3. Heck yeah, that one worked. Okay, let's try and get this one out. Good. 1, 2, 3. Ah! My eyes are watering so bad. It's not hurting from the pain. My eyes are watering. And so the eyebrows, they're nice and cleaned up. I gave you a basic tutorial. Holy moly. Okay. That's it for me. I'm signing off from Ratchet Salon. I'm gonna get better at this. Thank you for watching and tuning in.